Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Fathin Azkia Natayasa. Will represent my group to present a project building a RT/RW network. Okay, before starting the presentation, I will introduce my group members, which consists of Adelia Aprilianti, Amalia Nabila, Fathin Azkia Natayasa, Isma Ramadhani, Salsabila Witrianingsih, Sasi Cahyani. Next, in the presentation, of course, there are rules that must be obeyed by the listeners, but the next slide is about the rules. First rule, listeners should pay attention to the presentation. Second rule, participants are expected to become an orderly. Third rule, listeners can ask questions after the presentation is done. The next steps is a slide about components. The component is router mikrotik, access point TP-Link, LAN cable, and ISP cable. The next slide is component, Winbox application, and Micmon application. The next steps is a slide about the function of each component. Mikrotik router function. The function of the mikrotik router is a tool used to connect the local network or LAN with the internet. An example is when you want to make a Wi-Fi voucher like wifi.id. TP-Link access point function. TP-Link access point function is a tool for managing connection on a device based on MAC addresses. An example is to share username and password with user. LAN cable function. LAN cable serves to connect between computers or laptops with routers or other device. Okay, the next slide is the same about the function each component. Function ISP cable or internet cable. ISP cable or internet cable serves to connect the network connection between the client and the nearest internet. Winbox 32-bit or 64-bit application function. The function of the Winbox 32-bit or 64-bit application is to connect and configure mikrotik using MIC address or IP protocol. With Winbox, we can configure mikrotik router OS and router board using GUI mode quickly and simply. Micmon application function. The function of the Micmon application is to make it easier to manage mikrotik hotspots without using a radio server. Okay, the next steps is a slide on about how to use each component. Mikrotik router. Mikrotik router can be connected to a computer or laptop using a LAN cable, and this router is also useful for making Wi-Fi vouchers. Access point. Access points can be used to share Wi-Fi usernames and password with users. ISP cable or internet cable. ISP cable or internet cable is used to connect the network connection between the client and the nearest internet. Okay, next slide is how to use each components. Winbox 32-bit or 64-bit application. Winbox 32-bit or 64-bit application is used to connect and configure MikroTik using MIC address or IP protocol. By using the GUI method in Winbox, you can set up the configuration quickly and simply. Micmon application. The Micmon application is used to simplify the management of MikroTik hotspots without using a radio server. The next steps is a slide about the work steps. First is to create a simple RT or RW network topology. 2. Before logging into the Winbox application, it is recommended that you connect the router adapter to a terminal that is connected to electricity, and connect the ISP or internet cable with LAN cable to the Ethernet 1 port on the router, and connect the LAN cable connected to the PC or laptop to the Ethernet 2 port on the router. 3. Open the Winbox application. We will log in via MIC address, admin login, no password, and connect. Okay, the next step is a slide about the work step. 4. If the new MikroTik, the next step is to remove configuration or restart the router. 5. Connect the Winbox again using the router's MIC address. 6. Set a new password on the router so that you can log in with the new user. 7. Is to name the Ethernet port according to its function. For example, Ether1 serves to receive internet connection from the ISP. We add name Ether1 ISP, apply and OK. 8. Before determining which port or Ether you want to enter the bridge, the previous steps is to set the bridge or group, including bridge 1 and bridge LAN. Okay, the next step is a slide about the work step. 9 is how to stream the internet into the proxy. 10 is to set up the router DNS. 11. Before setting up Ethernet 2, 3, 4 or group bridge LAN, it's best to check whether Ethernet 1 already has an IP or has an internet connection. 12 is setting up Ethernet 2, 3, 4 or group bridge LAN. Its function is to be able to spread internet connection. 13. Before setting up the net firewall, the best steps is to set up the LAN bridge so that it can share IP. Okay, the next step is a slide about the work step. 14. The steps is setting up the net firewall. 15. Before setting the time on the proxy, the previous step is setting up the hotspot login. 16. The steps is to set the time for the proxy, so that when there are problems, you can track or adjust the proxy. For example, what time is it, blah blah blah. 17. The next step is to connect MikroTik with Micmon. 18. The steps is to create a profile of the voucher or voucher read or voucher package. Okay, the next step is a slide about the work step. 19. Generate voucher. 20. The last steps is setting up the access point. The next step is slide about the purpose of building RT/RW network. Purpose. The purpose of building RT/RW is to participate in the development of cheap internet in the community so that it can be accessed by all levels of society and is expected to be able to build people who are aware of the existence of internet information technology so that they do not lag far without extensive knowledge. The next step is a slide about the background of building RT/RW network. Background. Characteristic of work that has been done successful. The feature is that the user has received a user and password to be able to log in to MikroTik in order to receive an internet connection from a connected or prearranged router. Do you have any question for us? I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.